What happened to the famous Book of Enoch? Why did it get banned from the holy book of the Bible? What are some things discussed in the Book of Enoch that the Church Fathers do not want the world to know? The Book of Enoch is an anonymously written ancient Judeo-Christian writing, a pseudepigrapha, believed to have been written primarily during the Hellenistic period, likely between the 3rd century BCE and the 1st century CE. It is believed that the Book of Enoch was written by Enoch himself, who was the father of Methuselah, the longest-lived person in the Bible. The Book of Enoch contains 108 chapters, which comprise 5 sections, outlined as follows: Book of the Watchers, 1 to 36. Book of the Similitudes, 37 to 71. Book of the Astronomical Writings, 72-82. Book of the Dream Visions, 83-90. And Book of the Epistle of Enoch, 91-107. The starting chapters provide a short introduction of Enoch and speak to the major themes of rewards, punishment, the end of the world, and final judgment.